Hi. In this video, we're going to go through the rationale for using Blender and some helpful links. Now, Blender was first developed as an open source project and has grown into a powerful and versatile 3D modeling package used for design, visual effects, game development, film animation, visualization, and simulation. Please note that Unity, which we discussed in the previous video series, is not a modeling tool, but rather a visualization engine. We need to use other packages to create our 3D models, such as Blender, which we're going through here, or other tools like Maya, Revit, 3ds Max, Rhino, etc. The advantage of Blender lies in its open source nature, the robust community, multi-platform usage across Windows, Mac, and Linux, and its comprehensive development pipeline. Blender has a large support and learning network, including guides on getting started and extensive tutorials. In the provided PDF file on iLearn, I've included various useful resources and links. These include the Blender Help and User Guide, which covers the latest version of Blender, in our case Blender 4.1. It goes through all the different aspects of Blender and how it works across various platforms and components, including new options for Blender and VR. There is the Blender Help and User Guide, where you can start up your Blender journey and check out numerous tutorials as well as different portfolios by industry professionals, academics, and students. You also have Blender tutorials in the link provided, which cover various topics. Some of these are older and some are newer, but they are all useful for exploring the different capabilities of Blender. The Blender team says, Blender is a real community effort, and tutorials are no exception. The most up-to-date tutorials can be found on social media. Finally, there is the Blender Community Forum, which covers many aspects of Blender, including modeling, animation, rigging, shading, lighting, rendering, and more. There's a large and active community around Blender, making it very useful for asking questions if you encounter problems icons solve, and we can explore the use of the greater community.